Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can morph photos in CapCut PC. So go to settings first, in menu, go to edit and make sure the duration isn't super long. I just placed it at 0.3 and then I pressed save, sorry. Then I'm just going to add in these photos like so. Let's see, what else do I have to add for these? I'm just trying to find the ones that I have not yet added. I think that's all. Select everything, right click, create compound clip. Then select motion blur, and you're just going to adjust the blur and the blend as well to about like 70 to 80%. And just place the direction normally. I forgot to change the ratio. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.